friends and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are fine. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my potato salad at home. I have some potatoes here. As you can see, I'm going to use all these potatoes for my salad. So I went to a friend's place, Eliza. She's from Australia, so she prepared this potato salad. When I got home, I was thinking about this salad all day. So I called her. I said, Eliza, I love that salad that I ate in your house. Can you please send me the recipe? She not send me the recipe. So I decided to share it with you guys. So guys, if this is your first time on this channel, please, you're welcome to this channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And for my old subscribers, thank you for stopping by. So guys, now let's get started. So these are the beautiful potatoes that we are going to use for this recipe. Some bacon, carrots. I'm going to use 3 eggs. All depends on the quantity of the salad you're going to make. Some olive oil. These are the spices that I'm going to use for this recipe. I have some spring onion, some black pepper, some lemon juice, and some salt to taste. I'm going to use half of this onion. I'm not going to use all the onion, just half. So in here, I have some mayonnaise and some mustard. Guys, this mustard is so harsh. You have to be very careful when you are putting it. Just put bit by bit. You taste it to your desired taste. So I'm just peeling my potatoes.
Have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, my beauty.
So guys, I've peeled my potatoes, cut them into little pieces. I add some salt now, so I just want to cover it to cook. While I'm waiting for my potatoes to cook, I just want to toast the bacon. Wow, so beautiful and so crunchy. So now I have to stir fry the onion and the carrots together. I'll just add some little amount, just very little amount of olive oil. You just have to do this for just say 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes, because you don't want to cook it so much like that. Our potatoes is ready. So I just want to pour it in my filter. Then I'll on the cold water to stop the cooking process, because I don't want my potatoes to be, too soft. No, it's not good like that. So I'll just set my carrot and my onion, I'll just set them aside for later, guys. So I'll cut my bacon into little pieces, just little pieces like that. I'll slice my eggs. Then I will set it aside. It's time for us to make the sauce. I'll add my mayonnaise. Guys, warning, don't say I did not tell you. Big no. Put your mustard small amount, so that it will not spoil your salad. When you put it, you just test it until you get to your desired taste, because everybody has a different taste, you understand? So before you just stop, don't just put all of them at a time. So now I just add my black pepper in there. Then I'm going to add my lemon juice. Then I'll mix everything together very well. I'll add my spring onion. I couldn't get the fresh one. I'm supposed to use the fresh one, but I searched for it. I couldn't get it, so I decided to use the dry one. So now we just have to mix our salad. First, we need to add our carrots and onions. We just put our bacon. Some black pepper. Some spring onion. Then we'll add some of our eggs. We'll leave some for later. We add some olive oil. This recipe, you just need to use olive oil, no other oil. Guys, I forgot to introduce the parsley. You need to put parsley on this recipe. It's very important. Then it's time to pour in the sauce. Then you will give it a nice stir. Just stir it together very well, so that everything will incorporate together. In that way, you can feel the flavor of the sauce we put inside. So guys, you see, for this recipe I did not add any salt. So because bacon has salt, mayonnaise has salt. Now add the eggs, all the remaining ingredients to decorate it. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching my video. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share to your friends and families. So guys, I want to test it to see whether it comes out very well. Guys, this is so good, eh? Tastes so good. I don't want to praise it too much. You guys, watch this video to the end and make this salad in your house. Then the feedback, you'll leave it in the comment section. So guys, I love you all guys. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao tutti. Ciao.
Has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping.